Alright, let's go ahead and graph cosecant of x. John A., tell me what's the first thing I need to do? Before you identify the letters. Very good, money. I meant John A. Reciprocal. What is the reciprocal, John A.? Yeah. Sine. Y equals sine x. So we're going to graph that. Yeah, Yazzie, what's step number 2? Identify the what? The variables. What is your A value, Yazzie? B value? Just 1. C value? So A sine B x. Do you see any parentheses there? So there is none. How about a D value? There is none. Diego, what's the equation to find the period? 2 pi over b. So my b value is 1. So my period is just going to be 2 pi. Tell me about the inequality, Michael. What inequality can I write to help us figure out where to start and where to end? Less than or 2 pi. So these are the same, and if you notice that the difference between these two values are the same. This is where we start, and this is where we end. Sonia, what's the next thing we need to do?
4 intervals plus 1.
4 intervals plus 1. Let's go ahead and graph. John B, what should I write here?
0.
And here?
2 pi.
Midway?
Pi.
Here.
Pi over 2.
Here.
3 pi over 2.
Thank you. Emiliano, what should I do next? The chart, 5x values. So I have 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Emiliano, what do I do next in the next line? We need to find sine of these values. Emiliano, what is sine at 0?
0.
Pi over 2?
1. 0. -1. 0.
Correct. Johnson, what should I do next? Let's graph it. And Johnson, when I'm graphing sine of x, I should be using what? Pencil. So let's go ahead and draw our x and our our y-axis now. Zero, 1, 0, negative 1, 0. If you wanted to, you can always make more. Someone asked about that. So all I would do is just continually making it evenly spaced. Every fifth point. Every what cost? They're the same. Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
So if I move over, what am I going to put over here? 1. The next one over, what do I put? How about another one? Negative. And then that fifth point, which I don't have, that'd be 0. So number 6. Johnson, what should I do next? Asymptotes. Where do I put the asymptotes?
Pi.
Why did you put it there?
Because it's on the x-intercept.
Yeah, it's the x-intercepts. Let's also put those in pencil. And if you wanted more graphs, you could put it over here if you like. Jonas, what should I do next? So we're going to graph it where? Pick your favorite color. Nice green. So here, this would be above and below. And what should I do lastly? Dana? That's right. Someone asked, do I have to graph the reciprocal sign? Do I have to graph that? No. But it does kind of help you know where to graph, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It gives you a nice guideline so you can erase. So here we graph y equals cosecant of x.